people. Sorry, we haven't made a video in a long time.
Yeah, we're gonna try to open these Cokes.
I don't think we're using these right, so just
Let me try.
it may take a while. These were expired in 03.
Oh, here.
Oh, you opened it! She opened it, people. Franca opened it.
Oh, my heart.
No.
Ooh. Oh my God.
Go put it sink!
No, it's okay. It's okay. Ha! Didn't get him a skirt. Shh.
And her skirt is white.
Your turn.
Okay. So you just go like
I
this.
want to drink it. It expired in 2003.
So I'll drink it if you drink
like
it.
This, like this. You open it with this and you just like go like that.
Oh, we're smart.
It's in the wall. Hold on, viewers. The show is not over yet. It could be a bigger bet. Oh my God! Get the wall. Get the wall. Stop carpet. Put water in it. Okay, get the water. Get the water. Wait, did you stop recording it? Huh? No. Oh, okay. So, here, give me the sound. Give me the sound. Here, okay. Okay.
Oh my God, it's gonna come out.
Blends in.
Oh, it's great. We just bought a house in Bucks County. I'm still doing stuff for Dr.
Now the carpet. Do you have one of those carpet thingies?
Kara, you can tell that.
Okay, you better not tell Dad. And don't you be messing with my Coke.
Don't mess with my Coke, even though my Coke's in the sink.
Mine is
We're
perfect.
sorry about that, people. Sorry, I kind of went overboard with my Coke.
It's all her fault. I'm just. No.
Dude, like, it exploded back.
I saw. Okay, people.
Look how much I wasted.
Oh my God. Oh well. Come on, let's do that video. The thing will dry. We already put water in it.
I know, I'm still trying to open it.
And my skirt didn't get sprayed because it's white, so okay.
Open it.
Good. Finally. Okay, people. These things were expired in 2003. Look.
Yeah,
the
June
expiration-
16th. June 16th,
Wait.
2003.
Wait, where's the expiration?
I don't think they can read it.
Oh, they can't.
So, it's okay.
Well, it expired in 2003.
Whoa,
Whoa.
it's showing something else.
Well, we're gonna.
Even though I know y'all want to see that, but.
No, okay, so ready?
Okay, 1.
No. Okay, 3. Yeah, but this is weird. Here, you take mine.
Okay. It is good.
It's good. Okay. Okay, so people.
Yeah, that was our Coke
Thing.
video. We just wanted to make one because we didn't make one in a long time, so we're sorry.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm not a big Coke fan.
Me
and I'm
neither.
drinking it. I'm
Okay,
like
well.
more of a Dr. Pepper person.
Yeah,
Okay,
water.
well, like, tell us what kind of drink you like the most. Bye.
Bye.
Peace.
Oh man.
Oh crap.
Oh my
We
God.
always do.
What the? Oh, I was clicking the wrong button. Bye.
Bye.